Bam! Just like that. Good morning, everybody. Saturday, the 27th of February, 2021. Hope your Saturday is off to a great start. A little chilly here. Windy times here in the NorCal, North Bay area. But we shall press forward. Kind of exciting this morning. I did go to the P.O. box yesterday, and a few packages had arrived and a nice card here. So let's get to it this morning. Got my scissors here. Let's open it up and see what we got today. So try to be a little careful. Don't cut stuff. And, oh wow, look at this. I don't know who sent it. There's nothing inside of it, but this looks pretty cool. Let's open this up here, guys. I'm not sure if this is a t-shirt. This is an elegant way that I open a package. All I had to do is turn it upside down. Wow, look at that. Look at that, huh? Rosie's Rancho kitchen. Isn't that cool? It's really kind of cool. You think I'm ready for Chef Gordon Ramsay here? Kind of sticking all out the top there. Pretty cool. Thank you to whoever sent that to me. That's wonderful. That's something that I can definitely use. Keep myself in good shape, and that looks to be very good quality too. A nice kitchen apron. Tell you what, Gordon Ramsay, look out, bro. Could you see me and Gordon in a kitchen, like, really together? Bro, you're dismissed, huh? Punch out for the day, Gordon. You're done. And let's open this up here and see what I've got. Got something else. So thank you, whoever sent the apron there. I appreciate it. And my favorite lipstick color came in here. And it is, yes, I'm not quite sure. I think it was somebody had mentioned it in the chat. Maybe they'll put it in the down in the comment section. This is Wet n Wild Mega Last Lip Color 911D, and it is my signature favorite color. And thank you very much. I do love the 911D. I had run out of that, and yeah, I do enjoy my fire engine red. What do they call that? Stoplight red lipstick. Thank you very much for that. Definitely needed, definitely appreciated. Something that I will absolutely use. I did get a nice, got something here from Miguel Perez, my great friend from Indiana there. Card from Miguel, and it was, oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Miguel, you are too cute. Happy Valentine's Day. Nice to know Rosie still got it a little bit, huh? And a beautiful, beautiful card. If you're watching this, happy Valentine's Day to you. And it's beautiful. It's got some private thoughts, and yeah, happy Val. Just made these 2 videos on my channel. Thank you for my birthday, which is great. Thank you, Miguel, a long-time watcher, wonderful, sends me a lot of cards, a lot of letters and things like that, and I appreciate that. Isn't that cute? So nice to be remembered on Valentine's Day. And lastly, we got a box here. And let's open this up. And is it the new Rosie Dorito Bikini Calendar? We don't know. I don't think so. I think that's going to be for 2022, right? Let's see. Right. Let's see what we got here. Let's set our box aside. Open it up. There's a very nice box here. Let's take this and open this up. I know I rode hard and would have put away wet this morning. But just think of all the excitement that I had last night, right? Let's open that, cut that. And, oh, Oh, wow, looks like a customized thermos, which I definitely need. Wow, this is so cool. Look at this. Look at it. Isn't that cool? And it's got Rosie right there on the side. This will go down to the job site for the flooring this week. That is fantastic. Woo! I'm so happy about that. That looks so nice. Look at that, the way that is customized for mine. Wish I had this back in the day on the job sites there. I'd be the cat's meow. I wouldn't have to worry about anybody grabbing or nipping my thermos there. Whoever sent that, I certainly want to thank you guys. I don't know the specific people that sent it, but I am very, very appreciative. Okay, thank you everybody, and happy Saturday. Stay tuned, more good stuff to come. And thank you so much to the gift givers there. Mwah.